What's up guys, this is Payne. Today I'm gonna teach you how to do a back tuck in under 3 minutes. First step of learning a backflip, you have to learn how to jump. So you're gonna jump like a normal person would. You're gonna put your arms behind you, bend your legs, and swing all the way up and just reach as high as you can. The second step of learning a backflip is you have to be able to jump and then pull your knees in. What you're gonna do is lay on the ground, nice and flat, have your elbows right beside your ears. What you're gonna do is basically the opposite of a sit-up. You're gonna pull your knees right there to your elbows. Now you'll notice that halfway point, you break your hip line. Wherever you break your hip line, your hips then come off the ground and you'll feel your stomach roll in a little bit. Whenever you break your hip line, you really wanna pull your knees up to your chest, not your chest down to your knees. It is super important you don't pull your chest down to your knees. Because imagine if you're gonna do a backflip and you go for it and you pull your chest straight down. You're gonna land on your face. What you're gonna do, you're gonna jump and get your knees all the way up to your elbows. Roll you right over, you got a backflip all day right there. Third, you don't wanna do it without someone spotting you or someone who knows what they're doing helping you. So this is what the proper spot looks like. First off, don't grab their neck. He just prefers to be grabbed there because it helps him stand up a little bit better. You really want to grab right under the shoulder blades. Second hand is going to go beneath the calf muscles, which he is missing. And then you're going to flip them and oh my. So now that you've got these pointers, we're actually going to go for the flip now. So as you jump and your feet leave the earth, you're going to pull your knees straight up to your chest. And that's going to rotate your hips over your head. You're going to go from seeing your knees come into your vision. Then you're going to see the ground. When you see the ground, that's when you open up, stomp your feet to the ground, and lift your chest up nice and tight. Oh, yeah, if you have that feeling, you probably shouldn't do it without a spot. All right, here we go. So keep your chin up, you got your chest up. You're gonna dip and reach. Like a cheerleader, what y'all know about that? 12 years deep. Check out some of the sharks tutorials, and I'll see you guys later.